Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Joomla site. As we know, this is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution in the market. Today, we are going to configure Invision Community with Joomla Oauth client. Log in into your Joomla site. Click on System and select Extensions. Search for OAuth client and click on Search icon. Then select miniOrange OAuth client plugin. Click on Install button. You can see your installation of the package was successfully. Go to the Components and select miniOrange OAuth client, then click on Configure OAuth. Search for Invision Community application in search box and select Pre-configured application. You can also go through the setup guide to see step-by-step configuration. And you can also look at our video setup guide. Enter custom app name as per your choice. Log in into Invision Community Console. Log in with your Invision Community credentials. Navigate to the site features in the left menu bar and select REST and OAuth tab. Click on Create New button. Enter name as per your choice. Copy the redirect callback URL from the Joomla site. Paste redirect callback URL. Scroll down and click on Save button. Copy the client identifier from here and paste it into Joomla site. Copy the client secret from here and paste it into Joomla site. Enter Invision Community domain URL here. Scroll down and click the Save Settings button. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration button to test your connection. You have successfully tested Joomla Oauth client plugins. Now, we are going to configure basic attribute mapping. Copy email attribute. Paste email attribute. Copy display name attribute. Paste display name attribute. Click on Save Attribute Mapping button. Open a new browser private window and enter login URLs. Let us see how it works. Copy the login URL. Log in with your Invision Community credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Joomla site using Invision Community credentials. You have successfully logged into Joomla site using SSO. If you have any questions and concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring our plugin, please reach out to us at joomla@securify.com. miniOrange provide best SSO solution. Thanks for watching.